Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In 1989, the Volkswagen Golf and Jetta bodywork began with flat steel coil fed to 500-ton stamping presses that formed fenders, doors, roofs, and hoods in seconds. Punch and die tooling produced 20 major panels per car, and each panel was measured to within 1.0 millimeter before release to the body shop. Robots and skilled press workers then organized panels for assembly, and the body shell was assembled from 20 major panels, using spot welds and structural adhesives to hold shape. After shell assembly, robotic spot welders completed hundreds of welds per shell in the body shop, while inspectors checked alignment on a 6-point jig. Seams and joints were cleaned, then sealed with one-component polyurethane seam sealer and corrosion primer applied to cavities. The cars moved through a multi-stage paint line: electrodeposition primer, base coat color, then clear coat. Each coat flashed and finally was baked in ovens at about 140 degrees C to cure for durability and gloss before trim and assembly began. Final assembly began with installation of drivetrain components. Engines like the 1.8-liter inline-4 and available transmissions were lowered into subframes and torque settings applied per spec. Workers fitted wiring harnesses, dashboards, seats, glass, brakes, and fuel systems, and adjusted door gaps to factory tolerances. Fluids were filled to specified levels and batteries connected. Quality control completed a road simulation test, leak checks, and an on-road test, and only cars that met electrical, noise, and emission standards left the plant for shipment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.